Hi friends, today we will discuss about dimensions. We have 7 fundamental physical quantities. In that, length dimensional formula is L, mass dimensional formula is M, time dimensional formula is T, electric current dimensional formula is A, temperature, thermodynamics temperature dimensional formula is K. Luminous intensity CD, amount of substance mole. This is the new topic in intermediate. We won't have in lower classes. Using these fundamental quantities, main length, mass, time. These three we will use in all formulas. First of all, we will write M, next L, T. M means mass, L means length, T means time. Each physical quantity, otherwise derived quantity or fundamental quantity, we will write in this order: M, L, T. Area. Area is length into width, that means length into length. Length means distance into distance. Distance, length, height, depth, total we will identify with L. L square. Area is L square. How to will write this dimensional formula? M not there. M power 0 means 1. L square T power 0. Next, volume. Volume dimensional formula is length into length into length. L cube. How to will write? M power 0 L cube T power 0. Next, velocity. Distance by time. Distance means L by T. Velocity and acceleration. Based on this, we will write almost all physical quantities dimensional formulas. Velocity. Distance by time means L by T. M power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1. T is there in denominator. Whenever it will go up, power is minus. Acceleration. Acceleration is velocity by time. Based on formula, we will write dimensional formulas. Acceleration, velocity by time. Actually, velocity is distance by time. Distance by time square. L by T square. L by T square. This is very, very important. Acceleration L by T square. M power 0, L power 1, T power minus 2. Remember carefully. Acceleration we will use more times. Force. Force is mass into acceleration. F is equals to ma. Mass is capital M. Acceleration is L by T square. L by T square acceleration. M power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2. Next, work. Work, energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. Total all physical quantities dimensional formula same only. First of all, work. Based on formula, work is equals to force into distance. Force into distance means F is equals to M into A. Distance is L. M mass. Next, A is L by T square into distance is L. Now, work or energy dimensional formula M power 1 L square T power minus 2. Next, potential energy. Potential energy formula is mgh. M mass, g is acceleration, L by T square, h is distance. This is also M power 1 L square T power minus 2. Kinetic energy formula is 1 by 2 mv square. 1 by 2 numericals we will leave it. Mass M. V square. V is L by T. V square means L square by T square. Same only. M power 1 L square T power minus 2. Momentum. Momentum formula mass into velocity. Mass is capital M. Velocity is L by T. M power 1 L power 1 T power minus 2. Like that we will write momentum dimensional formula. Next, power is equals to work by time. Work is force into distance by time. Force is m into a again into L. M acceleration L by t square into L by t. M power 1 L square t power minus 3. Next, impulse. Impulse is force into time. Force m into a into time. M acceleration L by t square into t. T get cancelled. Finally, impulse is m power 1 L power 1 t power minus 1. Next, pressure. Pressure, force per unit area. F is m into a. M mass, acceleration L by t square 1 by L square. L get cancelled, only one L left. M power 1 L power minus 1 t power minus 2, pressure dimensional formula. Next, torque. Torque is in rotational motion, force into length of arm, force into r. Force is m into a. M L by t square acceleration, length L. Finally, m power 1 L power 2 t power minus 2. Next, angle. Angle, otherwise angular displacement, has no dimensional formula. Why? Because arc by radius. Theta is equals to arc by radius. Length by length get cancelled. No dimensions. Next, angular velocity. We will define with omega. Angular velocity, angular displacement by time. Angle by time means angle doesn't have any dimensions. Time t. M power 0, L power 0, t power minus 1. Angular velocity has t power minus 1. Next, angular acceleration. Angular acceleration means velocity by time. Angular velocity by time. Angular velocity is t power minus 1 by time is equals to t power minus 2. Angular acceleration is m power 0, L power 0, t power minus 2. Next, angular impulse. Angular impulse, actually impulse in linear system, force into time. Angular impulse means instead of force we will use torque. Torque into time. Torque is F into length of the arm into time. F is m a acceleration L by t square into L into t. T get cancelled. M power 1 L square t power minus 1. Stress. Stress, pressure same only. Stress is force per unit area, normal force per unit area. Force m into L by t square. Area is 1 by L square. L get cancelled. M power 1 L power minus 1 t power minus 2. This is the stress. Strain means length by length. That means change in length by original length. Length get cancelled. It doesn't has any dimensions. Density. Density, mass per unit volume. Mass capital M, volume is L cube. M power 1 L power minus 3, t doesn't have, na, that's why power 0. Specific gravity. Mass of body by mass of equal volume of water. Mass by mass. It is also doesn't have any dimensions. Next, frequency. Frequency 1 by time. 1 by time. That means m power 0, L power 0, t power minus 1. Gravitational constant. G is equals to F into R square by m1 into m2. F is m into L by t square. F is equals to ma. R square is length square by m square. M get cancelled. M power minus 1. M value is negative. Almost we are getting all positive only. Here in gravitational constant sometimes negative power mass dimensions they will ask in questions. M power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2 L cube t power minus 2. Next, Young modulus of elasticity. Young modulus of elasticity and stress both have same dimension. Why? Because y is equals to stress by strain. Strain doesn't have any dimensions. Stress dimensions only Young modulus. Young modulus and stress have both same dimensions. Pressure also same dimensions. F by A. F by A. F is equals to m into a, m L by t square acceleration by area L square, m power 1 L power minus 1 t power minus 2. This is also stress. Planck's constant h is equals to energy by frequency. Energy is f into displacement, frequency is t power minus 1. F is equals to m into a. A is L by t square into L. Frequency value power 1. T get cancelled. Finally, Planck's constant m power 1 L square t power minus 1. Next, force constant. Force constant K is equals to force by distance. Force is m into acceleration L by t square 1 by L. Displacement is L. L get cancelled. Force constant dimensional formula m power 1 L power 0 t power minus 2. Next, surface tension. Surface tension, force per unit length. F is equals to ma, m mass, a is L by t square, length is 1 by L. L get cancelled. Now t is equals to m power 1 L power 0 t power minus 2. That means force constant and surface tension has both same dimensions. Next, specific heat. Specific heat, energy by mass into temperature. Here this is a difference in temperature. Here energy is m in force into displacement. Force is m into a, L by t square into L. This is the energy. Force into displacement. Mass m, temperature is Kelvin K. mm get cancelled. M power 0 L square t power minus 2 k power minus 1. This is the specific heat. Next, latent heat. Heat energy by mass. Energy same. M force into displacement. Force is m into acceleration L by t square into L. 1 by m. Mm get cancelled. Here m power 0 L square t power minus 2. This is the latent heat. Next, gas constant. Universal gas constant R, pressure into volume by mole into temperature. Now pressure is F by A. F is equals to force m into acceleration L by t square. A is 1 by L square. This is the pressure. Pressure is equals to force per unit area. Force is m into acceleration by 1 by area L square. Volume is L cube by mole, 1 by mole. Temperature is 1 by Kelvin. Here L square and L cube. 1 L left, L into L, L square. M power 1 L square t power minus 2 remaining, mole to the power of minus 1, Kelvin to the power of minus 1. This is the gas constant R value. Next, Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant, heat energy by temperature. Heat energy. Energy means force into displacement. Force is ma again. Mass into acceleration L by t square into L by 1 by k. Temperature. M power 1 L square t power minus 2 k power minus 1. Coefficient of thermal conductivity. K is equals to Q into D by A into theta 2 minus theta 1 into T. Q is energy, D is thickness, A is area, theta 2 temperature difference into time. Energy we know, force into displacement. Force is ma, a m into L by t square. This is the force into L. Next, thickness is L. L into L, L square. This is the force. Force L into L, L square. Area is 1 by L square. Temperature difference means temperature K. Time is T. Now L square get cancelled. Coefficient of thermal conductivity dimensions m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 3. T square T. It will go up minus 3. K to the power of minus 1. This is the coefficient of thermal conductivity dimensional formula. Based on this one problem we will do. Must remember all formulas. Based on formulas, easily we will write dimensional formula. Here E, M, L, G denote energy. E means energy, M means mass, L is angular momentum, G is gravitational constant respectively. The dimensions of E, L square, M power 5, G square will be that of, that means whenever we will write these physical quantities dimensions, what we will get? First one, angle, options, length, mass, time. Energy, just now we discussed all. Energy is force into displacement. F is equals to ma. M is mass, a is acceleration, L by T square. Displacement is L. Now finally energy dimensional formula, m power 1 L square T power minus 2. Angular momentum. Angular momentum is I into omega. Moment of inertia into angular velocity. Moment of inertia mr square. Mr square means m mass, r square is length square into 1 by t. Here angular velocity is 1 by t. Next mass capital M. Gravitational constant force into displacement square by mass m1 into m2. Force again m into a. This force dimensional formula, it is getting repeating. Remember carefully. F is ma, m mass, a is L by T square, D square length square into 1 by mass square. M get cancelled. M power minus 1 L cube T power minus 2. These all values substitute in this equation. E into L square m power 5 G power 2 G square. E value is m L square T power minus 2. Next L square, square it this. M square L power 4 T power minus 2. Next m power 5. G square means this is the G value, should square it. M power minus 2 L power 6 T power minus 4. Now numerator and denominator check it values. M power 5 is there in numerator. This is 1, 2, 3. This is minus 2. It will go up. Total 5. M5, m to the power of 5, m to the power of 5 get cancelled. Next L square, L to the power of 4. Total 6. Here also L to the power of 6. L also get cancelled. Next T square, T square. T to the power of minus 4. Here T to the power of minus 4. Totally dimensional less we are getting. M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Options, angle, length, mass, time. Time not there, mass not there, length not there. Angle is dimensionless. That's why 1 is the option. Like that we will do. Next. The dimensional formula for which is following pair is not the same. We have to know all physical quantities dimensional formula. First, impulse and momentum. Impulse is force into time. Force ma, m into acceleration L by T square into time. M power 1, L power 1, T power, T get cancelled, minus 1. Next, momentum. Momentum is mass into velocity. Mass L by T, m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 1. That means first option both are same only. But we want which one? Not same. Next, torque and work. Torque force into displacement. Work also force into displacement. That's why this is also both same. Force is m into L by T square. F is equals to m into a into distance, m power 1 L square t power minus 2. Second option also not correct. Next, stress and pressure. Stress is force per unit area, pressure also force per unit area. Force is m into a. A is L by T square, m mass m. Area is 1 by L square, m power 1, L get cancel, L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Next option, without doing also we will put it last one, but once you should cross check. Momentum. Momentum is mass into velocity, already we wrote here, m power 1 L power 1 T power minus 1. Next, angular momentum. Angular momentum is L. L is equals to I into omega. I is moment of inertia, m into L square, omega is 1 by T. M power 1 L power 2 T power minus 1. Both are here, L power 1 is there, L power 2 is there. These two, fourth option D, these two not same. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.